Liquid Moly Airflow Sensor Cleaner. This stuff, hopefully the solution to all of my problems. I've been having a bit of a boosting issue with it's very hesitant and it's very stuttery coming on boost from about 3,000 to about 5,000, 5,500, and it's been progressively getting worse and worse and worse. And I thought there was either something like a head gasket going out, or the turbo was just kind of starting to die on me. Just a whole bunch of different issues. So pretty easy to do this one. It's just a matter of unclip 2 screws, load it up with this stuff, let it dry. Oh yeah, that's well and truly covered. And it's had a couple hours to dry. I just had it sitting facing into the sun. Okay, engine's looking pretty warm. Oh, that felt good. That's so smooth. Oh my god. we have smooth boost. We have boost all the way through now. Oh, that feels so good. That's all it was. It's just a dirty sensor.